On January 20th, 2022, Brightline ran its first train through Brevard County, Florida. This was done to start qualifying Brightline's crews on the Florida East Coast Railway between West Palm Beach and Cocoa. I was able to do a quick chase between Vieira and City Point in Cocoa. I started in Vieira at the Pineda siding. This is the first time a Brightline train has moved through Brevard County under its own power. Previously, trains came through being towed by a Florida East Coast Railway locomotive while they were being delivered. The train had to stop on the siding briefly due to a local working on the main line farther ahead. I next moved a couple of miles north to Bonaventure in the Carver Road crossing. The Florida East Coast Railway's training personnel are on board training Brightline's own in-house training personnel on these first few trips. This way they will be able to train all of Brightline's train crews themselves without having to rely on the FEC. The train passed through every crossing at a very limited speed to give the crew a chance to familiarize themselves with each location. A quick stop in Rockledge was next. And finally passing through City Point and Cocoa. The train would continue up to Frontenac before turning around. Before it could return south, Florida East Coast Railway Train 103 needed to pass through headed south, which you can see here passing by the Cocoa Tunnel. I unfortunately wasn't able to stay around for Brightline's return trip due to other commitments, but these runs will be occurring daily moving forward, so expect more coverage in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.